Hey, welcome back. This is Radio Jonesy, and this is how to rebuild your life at 60. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for joining us. And if you've come back again, hey, you're part of the crew. Hey, how to rebuild your life at 60? Yeah, it's a great time of life. You know, I'm here. I'm loving it. This is a time of life where it's your youth again, your youth of your senior years. So it's really important to rebuild your life and get it back to where you want it to be. I've got 7 points. Let's get into them. Point number 1 to help you rebuild your life when you're 60 is maintain a healthy diet. Like, you're looking at me, I'm a big boy. I've changed my ways over the last few months and it's really helped me. You know, you should eat what is right for you. There could be, have you tried a diet lately? They sort of come and they go. I think diets are past it. I think you have to just have a lifestyle, like a lifestyle change. So yeah, eat what's right for you. Try to find foods, new styles of food. Just see what fits into your lifestyle. Give it a crack, give it a go, and just see how it all turns out. I'm eating a lot more beef at the moment, steak, and it's working for me. I'm dropping kilos every week. If you're a regular to the channel, you know I'm saying that all the time. But yep, point number 1, maintain a healthy diet. Point number 2 is exercise and move every day. I've taken up walking, which sounds stupid. I'm walking a lot more now. I've live in a lovely location. I can walk down at the beach, but you just find it a lovely place where you can go for a walk, whether it be at a lovely park. You could go around, just around the block. It's just got to be walking and be more active in your senior years, and it's definitely going to help. Riding a bike, who's seen the new electric bikes? They are absolutely sensational. If you can afford a bike and you haven't ridden a bike for a while, just take it easy, get on one and give it a crack. There's less jolting movements. It's pretty good for your style. I'm investing in one at Christmas, so I'll tell you all about that in a few months from now. Here's an easy way to walk. Just park your car at the furthest spot in the car park when you go grocery shopping or to the supermarket. Park at the furthest spot away, and you have to walk and then walk back. It's just little things just help you move, and it just keeps that body working well. It's like a well-oiled machine. The more you exercise, you eat right, and you move around, it's great. Hey, there's walking groups in shopping centers. There's walking groups at your local community. You just look them up. They'll be out there where a bunch of life-minded people are out with the same goals, is to exercise, keep mobile, and enjoy their life in their 60s. So to rebuild your life in your 60s, that is point number 2, just keep moving every day. And my third point is to keep your brain active. Who gets brain fog these days? There's, you just want to, you know it's on the tip of your tongue, but you just can't get it out. But the more games that you play with your mind, could be anything from jigsaw puzzles, crosswords, just normal puzzles that you get in the newspaper. It could be a book that you buy down at the newsagent. But you could even play games on your phone. Just keeps the old cranium ticking over. You just keep the mind working and life is a lot better. Yes, and if you keep your brain active, your mind, that brain fog, everything just becomes clearer and the brain fog flies out the distance. Tell me in the comments what games you like playing on your phone to keep your mind active. Here's one of my good ones. Point number 4 is stay positive. The glass is always half full, never half empty, always half full. Like my friends in that fantastic movie say, always look on the bright side of life. Hey, just had to say it. But hey, always be positive. Life is meant to be lived and lived well. So enjoy what you've got. And if you're having a down day, just there's always something you can look at during that day and say, you know what, that was, if I did more of that, that's going to improve tomorrow. So there's always a positive spark everywhere. So you've got to keep looking for it, keep finding it, and always try to be positive in your life. Point number 5 on how to rebuild your life at 60. Point number 5 is a good one too. It is be productive. So what I mean by this is that this can mean many things. You know, you can volunteer at an organization. You can help out at a hospital, a nursing home. Sporting clubs are always after volunteers to help, you know, with the gear in the canteen, helping with the athletes in one way or another, you know, like with the uniforms. And there's just tons of ways you can be proactive and have a productive retirement, and it just rebuilds your life at 60. Just get involved and be productive. And point number 6 is maintain your social life. Maintain your social life. Easier said than done, but find your friends, find a group of like-minded people. I'm a music guy. I love going to live music, so I'm finding new friends all the time where I go out. But you can join a club. You know, there's bowls clubs, there's 10-pin bowls, lawn bowls. So many activities you can join, but just look around your local community. Find yourself a nice little social club. Enjoy your time there. Go see live music. That's one of my go-tos. I just love going to live music. And maybe even find some old friends on social media. There's heaps of people reuniting via different social media connections. And yeah, just maintain a social life. And that is another way to help rebuild your life at 60. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video, but the last point is to be consistent, yes, consistent with your medical care. When you get to your 60s, make sure you don't put off a medical appointment. I can do it again tomorrow. Yeah, get yourself looked after, get your health checked, keep on top of things, and life is meant to be lived. And like I said, we're in our youth of our senior years. So once you reach that 60 odd, you're looking at retirement, the whole world opens up again. So make sure you get out there, enjoy your life. I hope this video helped a few people. Put some comments down in the comment section. How to rebuild your life at 60. Tell me what you did. This is Radio Jonesy. Until we meet again, ciao.